Okay, morning guys. I'm doing a 2014 Audi A4 rear brakes. I think I just want to show a trick. The normal stuff is obviously to remove the wheel, open up the calipers. I think there's a lot of YouTube videos on how to do that, so I'm not going to show that. I'm just going to show the trick to release the electronic brakes. So this is basically all you need: a T30, T45, 15 spanner, 13 spanner, screwdriver, and to take your wheel off, obviously your jack. And I made this little nifty, just a wire that I can put in, use the pliers to pull out because I lost my one. So I've decided I'm going to tie myself and see how long this job takes. I'm going to phone the agents on Monday and ask them what they charge for this and how much time they actually allocate to this. So let's go. I'm going to tie myself. The first thing you do is undo these bolts here and remove the caliper, right? This part of the caliper is fixed. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the handbrake motor. This is just the Torx bit over there, two of them, and just remove those. Okay, so I've used a T45, and you take the rear of this, the handbrake, the electronic handbrake, put it in the hole and turn it clockwise until it locks. Then you can put the caliper back and you can push the piston back to its normal place. Okay, I'm putting the motor back on again. Those two bolts, pretty straightforward. Just make sure that the splines align properly and that it seats properly again, and you can tie that up. I got myself a nice set of Ferrados, and now it's just replacing the springs with the new springs that we've got in this packet. And don't forget to put the new tension bolts in. Right, got the new springs in, got the brake pads in both sides, and now we just put the calipers back on. There we go, the calipers on. So it's straightforward. I've got a T30 here, and I used to turn the brake caliper back for the handbrake with the T45. Remember, turn it clockwise all the way till it stops. Put the caliper back, pull it back, get the piston back in, and tie your calipers up. Don't forget two bolts and the two Torx bolts for the motor. Straightforward, and the guys charge you freaking thousands for this, and it took me about 10 minutes. And come on, stop, under 12 minutes, man. And that, I really want to go and find out what they're going to charge. Now, I paid in South Africa about 770 bucks for these brake pads. Yeah, sure, you can probably have these skimmed, but they look fine to me at this stage. I think with the next brake service, I'm just going to replace the discs, and it's probably going to take me a minute to put the wheel back. So yeah, these idiots, I honestly think they just rip off people. Remember is that the handbrakes are all the way back now, so it's going to take a while. And there they settled. So it just takes a while to screw back in and to do it off. I think I have to stop the car for that. There they release, and there they settle. Alright, done.